Work, dirty, work. Work. Man, I throw that bitch over the top of my head, you hear me? You can't do nothing to that motherfucker. He won't hold on through. Good work there, man. It's good work. That bitch got dumb neck. Work, dirty. Watch. Wait till he feel that chain tighten up around his neck. Get to the edge of that chain. Watch how he snap out. Look. He snaps. He don't play that shit. He like, bitch, you might possibly get away. He ain't with that bad shit. Get him dirty. Get him dirty. Told you that bitch got dumb mouth, yeah. He got stupid mouth. Work. Work. Oh yeah, when he start that shit right there, that bitch is crazy, you know. Tired yet? No? Man, that bitch works me out, dog. I be out here sweating like a motherfucker.
That's almost there.
Oh, he's an acrobat when it comes to getting that motherfucking rope. That bitch do backflip. That's right. That's right. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. That's a good mouth. That's a good mouth you got there. They think it's a game. They think I ain't got nothing on the yard down here. Shit! If he get a hold of your dog, if he get a hold of your dog, he is out of here. You can call your dog next week. Yeah, that bitch got problem. He got problem. Yeah, he got a real problem, boy. That bitch mouth is down. Look at that shit. Now woo! Ha! That bitch got this thing he do, right? With his neck, he do this. That bitch going crazy, yeah. That bitch shoulders and shit get to going. That bitch head dumb. Tired, ain't you? That's right. Look, that's right. Stay off your ass, buddy. Work from them feet, buddy. He mad. Look, he mad. Look at him, yo. You ain't shit, dirty. Yo, you ain't shit. Yeah, that bitch legs done gave out on him, but his mouth is still good.
Damn right.
I told you. Go and pull him up off the ground, Turtle. See how high you can get him up right there. That bitch mouth still good. Don't you worry about that mouth.
Them things quenched.
You hear me? They ain't got to worry about that mouth. Lazy ass. It's lazy. And you know what he do? He like to wait for an energy burst, man.